Just going to show you 4.4.6 global trip add photos. The assignment is going to just have you add images and citations for the last global trip that you already did. So we'll go to our last global trip. I'm going to Command A or Control A if you're on a PC. If you're on a PC, everything is the same as what I'm saying, except you press Control instead of Command. Same thing with the Chromebook, exact same. And then Command C to copy. Then we'll go back to this assignment for today. We'll highlight this up here at the top. Command V to paste. And then we are going to make, in between the H3 and the .money tag, we are going to make a CSS style for image. So we'll do image and then the little curly Q thing. And all we really want is all the pictures to be the same height. So we're going to do height colon 75 pixels. And then we are going to make one for citation. So underneath language, we'll go down. We'll do number sign, citation, curly Q thing. And then we're going to make this font style dash or colon italic, and then we're going to do it font size 12 pixels. And then we need to make specific stuff for each stuff. So my first one is the Republic of the Congo. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to do number sign Congo. And for Congo style, we're going to make all the borders different. So we're going to do border dash style solid. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to copy this. And then I'm going to go down and I'm going to do number sign Angola. And then I'm going to paste. But I'm going to change it from solid to dotted. Oops. And then I'm going to go down. I'm going to do Peru. And obviously, if you did different countries, you would use the countries that you did. But these are the ones that I used. And I'm going to paste it there. I'm going to make this one dashed. I'm going to go down and I'm going to do number sign Ecuador. And this one is going to be double. And I think that's all we need as far as CSS. I'm just going to get rid of this extra space here just because I'm picky. All right. And let's see here. Wikipedia, Congo. I don't even know. Republic of the Congo. And hold on 1 second, let me go back. Say open image in new tab. And I'm just going to copy this picture. And I'm going to go to my stuff here. Guys, is Wikipedia blocked for y'all? Try to go to it on the desktop because some stuff is blocked on the Chromebooks but not on desktops. Okay, so you're going to have to find your pictures from like just Google then. Alright, so just like I told my class, you're going to have to find your pictures from Google. But underneath Republic of the Congo, we're going to put something underneath the name in between the list. And what we're going to put is we're going to do the little arrow. We're going to have image-id equals quotation marks Congo, and then whoops, we're going to put src quotation marks, and then we're going to paste our stuff there, and then we'll do another quotation marks, and then we'll do a space alt equals quotation marks, and then we'll just do a close tag thing, or a close arrow there. And so let's see what that looks like. I don't know why my picture's not showing up. Oh. Let me delete this part. And then now let me try. I don't know why it's not working for me. Should work. Oh well. That's what it says in the answer. So I don't know why it's doing that. Unless I... Let's see what my test cases are here. Do not know. Yes. In a moment. We're going to do the same thing for Angola here. We're going to do image ID equal sign and then quotation marks Angola, and then space src equals, let me go back to Wikipedia. Let me look up Angola. And here's the flag. I'm assuming they want us to use the flag all the time, so I'm going to click on the flag. Let me try this one, this link instead. Let's see if this works. Then quotation marks, paste. And then, oops, close. No, it didn't work. Okay, so I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to right click and say open image in new tab. And then I'm going to copy this. Copy. Paste. See, the Angolan flag worked. I don't know why the Congo one's not. Let me try to go back to the Congo and paste it again. Open image in new tab. Copy. Yes.
Mine, what's it called? When I'm typing in my H3, when I'm trying to type in my H3 and H2 tags for like the countries and continents, it's not working.
Okay. Give me just a moment. Why is CodeHS is like freaking out? Why is it clicking save? There we go. Alt. Alright, so we got Angola working. I don't know why Congo's not showing up. That's weird. But anyway, we're going to go to Peru and Ecuador, and then we'll do our works cited at the bottom. Okay, so Peru, we're going to do image ID equals Peru source equals, and then we need to find our Peruvian flag. Copy. I'll go here. We will paste. And then it wants us to do this alt thing again. I don't know why, because we don't put anything in the quotation marks. But anyway, let's see if the Peruvian flag shows up. Yeah, Peru showed up too. It's just the Congo one. That's bizarre. Anyway, we'll do the same thing for Ecuador. Image ID equals Ecuador source equals, this is why up here on Congo we didn't put the equal sign after the source. So let's see if it works now. Aha, it worked. Okay. Peru, we already got. Ecuador, we're not done with those. Source equals. Go up here and we'll do Ecuador. Open image in new tab. We're going to copy. And go back here and we will put quotation marks. We will paste. And then it wants us to do the alt thing again. Alt, quotation mark, end sign. And then for our works cited, we already have everything there. All we need to do is for unordered list, we need to put an ID equals citation. And then that should give some style to our citation down there. Yep. So let's see if this works. Boom, we got it all now. So we'll click submit and continue, and we are all done.